What's going on, everybody? Hope your day is going wonderfully as always. It's Gordon Xavier here today to support you in your evolutionary journey. I want to offer you something, an idea, something that you can do today. I want to offer you an idea that will support you in getting over social anxiety. How many of you out there you've been experiencing, like you've experienced some social anxiety? I know I have. Right, I've experienced a lot of social anxiety in my life. This like scramble of energies inside of me that when I'm confronted with a person face to face, making eye contact, it's like difficult to be present, and it's like I feel all these weird energies in my gut, in my belly, and my heart's like pounding in this like weird way, and it's like whenever I open my mouth to speak, it's like blah, 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 blah. And so I want to offer you something that you can do with a friend or if you have a boyfriend, girlfriend, brother, sister, mother, father that's open to this, I invite you to do this exercise because what I found is it can be very useful in overcoming that. It can be very useful in overcoming that anxiety, and it can help you find ease in your communication and your social interactions. And so it's a really, really quick, simple thing that you can do with someone that's open to it, and someone that you just vibe with. I invite you to do with somebody that you vibe with, and then maybe somebody that like you are all right with. And you don't have to like initiate them in the process, but you can just mindfully do it as you're communicating with somebody. But for this particular thing, I invite you to get a partner and to fill them in, have them watch this video with you so you two can both grow together and even like deepen your bond. So what I'm going to invite you to do today is to sit down with somebody and practice what we call eye gazing. We just connect. We connect in eyes. You don't say anything. And we breathe. And you may notice as you're holding this eye contact with someone, I'm gonna get nice and close, right? You may notice that you feel uncomfortable. You may notice that you start feeling that anxiety really rise up. You may notice like you wanna like shift in your body. You become extra like aware of like, what does my face look like? Am I making a weird face? You might notice your face starting to twitch. And as you notice all these things, just breathe. And just connect to all those feelings that are arising. And breathe through them. Just breathe through them. And after a bit of time, what you'll notice is these feelings of anxiety and distress, maybe uncomfortableness, maybe these feelings of resistance will begin to like settle and fade. The deeper you breathe, the more you release. Let out a sigh, like I just did, if you have to. Maybe you might find yourself laughing with your friend. Maybe you might find yourself like uncontrollably laughing. It's just funny. I invite you to, let the laughter out and get recentered. Sometimes laughter can be a way of protecting yourself unconsciously from uncomfortable feelings. And so I invite you to get the laughter out, but come back to the center and just be with the experience. And just breathe. And maybe you start off with a couple minutes. I invite you to go into like longer durations, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You're a pro. You really pushing the limits. And see, and what you'll find after an extended duration of time is you'll find that the connection between you and that other human being will deepen. And soon you'll begin to lose yourself in their eyes. And you'll begin to really just zone in and find a really indescribable, beautiful peace. And maybe a connection you've never felt before. They say the eyes are the window to the soul. When's the last time you looked at somebody's soul for longer than a few seconds at a time without darting your eyes over there? When's the last time you were just present with somebody's eyes and you were just in there looking at their soul? When's the last time you let your thoughts get clear and out of the way and you were able to put all of your presence and attention into that person's eyes that you were looking at? What I found in my experience was eventually what I found was I was looking at myself. I was looking at my higher self. I was looking at source. The same source that exists in me. I was looking at that source through the eyes of the person I was looking at. I've done this with my girlfriend, right? And it's taken our relationship to such beautiful heights. It's a game changer to connect in this way, right? I believe if there's I believe in alien civilizations, right? Or these higher dimensional beings. I guarantee words, they probably use them, but it's a good chance they might not. They just connect through eyes. And all the information about that individual, about themselves, and about the intentions or messages or motivations or whatever, all that's communicated through the eyes. I guarantee you, if you do this eye contact thing, if you do this for 20 minutes a day with your partner, within a month, you'll find yourself being able to finish each other's sentences. You'll find that you two gain a synchronicity and synergy like you've never experienced. You can talk things through, or you can connect in the soul, eye to eye, heart to heart. The heart comes up through the eyes and connects. I invite you to do this, and you may feel emotions come up. I invite you, if the person that you're doing it with is a lover or a great friend, I invite you to be open and authentic in whatever emotions come up. Keep it real. I've done it with my girlfriend, and there's been pain and shame inside of me. And I wanted to break away. I wanted to break away in eye contact so bad, but instead I just freaked out. And I'll express verbally what's happening for me in the moment, and she'll just be present with me, or maybe vice versa. So I invite you, to go out there and give this a shot. Think of it like an open-eyed, connected meditation. And I love to hear about what happens for you. I love to hear about what happens for you. So go out there and do it. And then come back and leave a comment. I invite you, leave a comment down below if you're going to do it. And then come back in a few days and tell me how it went. And then come back in a month after you've done it multiple times and tell me what that relationship is like. Tell all of us. We all want to know. And I guarantee I have a great big feeling the relationship will be very different. And I'm excited for you to give it a shot. So with all this being said, You all, it's been a pleasure. Thank you for connecting with me right now in this eye contact. And as always, nothing but love for you here on this channel. I'm looking forward to your evolution and your growth. And if you want to set up a call with me to connect via voice or eye contact via Skype, go to the link in my bio below and you can book your first call on me. All right. All right. Till next time.